Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to register your email address in line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, there are lots of options, but right now simply registering an email address relates to account. So I'm simply gonna click on this account button right here that is under personal info. Well, once you do that, the very first thing that you're gonna see is something like this that says email address. Click on it right now. Now all you guys need to do is simply enter your email address that you wish to register. I'm gonna enter it right now. As you guys can see, this is the email address that I wish to register, so I'm simply gonna hit on next. Now a verification code will be sent to the registered email address. I'm simply gonna enter it right here. Well, as you guys can see, I have entered the registration code, and that is it guys. As you can see, my email address has been registered. This is how you register your email address in line. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.